right, Dad?
Third.
Yeah, third or second?
Is it third? No.
Saturday.
Yeah, second.
The second.
Yesterday was April.
I didn't do actually pinch
Yeah.
my punch.
So it's the second month of autumn now, right?
Yeah, we're in the middle of starting the middle of.
Yeah, we're in autumn now here, and we are going to Monster Truck Show tonight. So
Trucks and fireworks.
and fireworks. So na-miss ko to kasi it's been like 2 years ago since we watched the Eka Monster Truck ride. Yeah.
Maybe more.
So this time manood kami ng Monster Truck. Let's go. Join us tonight. We are in. May dala kaming chair para sa show tonight. And ang haba ng pila. Sobra.
Got around the side.
The show starts now. My God, it's still drizzling. My face is wet. Oh. Look at Aisha. What are you doing?
Hiding.
Put your hands in the air so Scrappy can see you. Good work, Patrick.
Bye, Scrappy.
And then you put moisture, rain, and a bit of downlight. Very, very dangerous conditions here, but over here, about one more round. Here we go.
Whoa!
The orange flame.
So, my truck is out now.
Now, Asher mine is the jet van.
Yeah, that's my gold truck. Kids are waving.
Stage, it was the official mascot for the Brisbane Broncos.
So, dahil nilalamig na kami and Daddy didn't wear his trucker ducks, we have to go home and get some dinner.
No, it's going to pick up chicken on the way.
And pick up
From
chicken.
Robinson's.
Yeah, where we going? Robinson.
Robinson's.
NSM. Mag-pick up kami ng ng dinner.
Pick up a nice juicy chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yung airport.
Toyota van with jeepney with a rocket in the back.
I like the jet van.
From Geelong.
From Geelong. Geelong?
Geelong. Big town.
So it's 7:30 already.
Yeah.
And because the weather is changing, right? So we already dark because we are heading to winter. So it's early dark. What do you call this? Winter solstice. Right.
It's done again. Well, it's still
Yeah.
7:20 and light.
Yes, but still very bright. Usually it's bright, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
It's getting light. When we first came here, it was light till about 8:30.
Yeah, because of the clouds.
Hang in there, guys. We'll be there very shortly. Let's just get a chicken.
It's gray. Yeah.
Can eat some hot chicken.
We are going to listen, pick up some dinner. I get headache already because I'm hungry.
And
Yeah.
plus it was really loud.
And it's 8 p.m. and the Woolworths are still open here. Very nice. But some shops are closed, so we can hope there is still chicken. Oh, there is still chicken, or might be pork crackle. There is one left. One left. What is that? A pork. Oh, pork crackle. $20. Oh, we got pork. But salad here. Salad.
No, potato, egg, and bacon salad.
This one, I'll put egg and bacon.
No, so we can have this.
Just small.
Yeah.
That one is $5 only. Like that one. This one is $5. I'll get this one. So what else?
Ice cream. I want ice cream.
Ice cream. Where?
Drumstick.
I don't like drumstick.
I like drumstick.
That's the one I like. Mango and coconut. Oh,
The macadamia mango or just mango?
mango coconut. Passion fruit coconut. Raspberry. Just the macadamia mango. What's that one? Mango.
Just mango.
Oh.
I don't know these.
No, we still have chicken there.
No, we
Let's
need
go.
to.
Lahat na lang. Lahat na lang, ma'am. Back home now, guys. Oh my God, we are so lucky. I feel lucky because I found the pork crackle in the shelves. One left. And I got hot dog rolls.
Mom, what is mine?
Hot dog rolls, and what's this one?
Put it.
Toast. White toast bread. Oh, oh, your ice cream. Put it in the freezer. Your nuggets. And that's my ice cream. Put it in the fridge, please. Cut ko muna yung I'm going to cut the pork crackle. The one who surrendered the cold is Daddy.
Very cold.
Because he's very short.
Short shorts.
You're supposed to wear your crocodiles. And he think it's Queensland cold. No,
Oh,
it's not.
it's going to get a little colder.
How's your pork?
Nice. I haven't tried it yet.
Daddy J's scruffy.
These diets are really hard.
Daddy is having a hard time on his
No,
diet.
this is diet.
This is diet.
Yeah, this is his
'Cause
diet.
Daddy is on diet.
It's called Mommy's
We
cooking
got
diet.
a new board game that we bought.
12 games.
12 in 1.
12, yeah.
I want to play chess with Daddy to
So
see.
this really nice. There is a snake and ladder. Scrabble.
Everything.
Yeah,
No Scrabble, no Scrabble.
No Scrabble. Because Scrabble have lots of pieces, right?
There's lots of pieces in
Yeah,
there.
so this is really good board games then.
They have checkers.
Wow,
Checkers?
what's this?
Look out.
Wow.
Chinese checkers on the bottom.
And this one is, what is
Snakes
this
and
then?
ladders. Backgammon.
Backgammon. Snake ladders.
Snakes and ladders. Ludo.
And
Chess.
Ludo.
Obviously, they have chess, right, Dad?
And there's
What else?
Chinese checkers on the
We
bottom.
have one of those, but it's IKEA, right, Dad?
Oh, wow. And there is a cards.
Open a card.
Wow, and chess. Chess on top here. Chess. Wow, really nice.
Mom, give me some pork.
Chess or checkers.
Chess or checkers. Oh.
I want pork.
Bigger making them.
You know, 2 of my friends don't know how to play chess.
Right.
Well, actually, all of
That
my
is
friends
a
don't know
surprise.
how to play
It's a
chess
surprise.
because I only have 2
Yeah.
friends.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good.
$12.
I want the snake and ladder. I should just, we're gonna play.
No, we're playing chess.
Okay, we can play chess as well. I love playing chess. Wow, this is nice.
Mom, give me
What, pork?
pork.
Peter.
Someone give me your plate.
We were rooting for him.
Oh!
What the?
What
That was
the-
scruffy.
pork
Mommy, I didn't get this.
yum.
I didn't get the crackle.
Oh, Daddy will have hers.
Mmm.
No, that one, Ma. That
No,
was.
no, that's, wait, you've got enough there to start with.
You got enough, that's
Yeah.
fine.
No.
You haven't eaten that yet.
No, wash your hand. This is full and pork.
Very well, you can.
Nobody told me to settle down.
I'm waiting for my rice.
Late nights,
My daddy gave me some power pill to knock out my headache.
about you,
Yeah, for the pain. That's powerful.
about you.
But am I gonna fall asleep on this while waiting for my rice?
I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping.
I really like this salad. Like the potato salad.
About you,
Yum.
something about you I like. About